Hey guys. So I wanted to share with you something that's new and coming up at the end of this week on Saturday, late morning. It'll be a workshop. It's going to be a mini workshop. It'll be an hour to an hour and a half. And it is a live workshop, and there will be a live Q&A at the end of the presentation. And I'm really excited to be offering this because it's all about creating a food forest for you and your family. And you can do it on any kind of property, whether you have a suburban side yard available for this, or you have a large acreage. You can grow a lot more food than you probably think you can, no matter where you live, no matter what your soil is like, doesn't matter. I'm going to show you how to handle that and get yourself going on a system that's going to allow you to have fresh food available for you and your family, regardless of inflation, supermarket shortages, empty shelves, trucking industry shutdowns, who knows what. So here's the registration page, and this is where you can learn a lot more about what's going to be covered in the workshop. Essentially, you're going to learn the step-by-step process for creating your own food forest without the worry that you'll make expensive mistakes, so that you can achieve food independence and inspire your community towards sustainability. Now, this comes from a lot of conversations I had with people who I would consider to be permaculture enthusiasts who really are struggling trying to put together all the information that's out there in permaculture. They don't have time to try to become a professional permaculture designer. And even if they do, some of them do have the permaculture certificate, they don't know what to do with it. They don't know where to start. A lot of them are worried about making mistakes. It's going to cost them a lot of money. They don't really know where to start or what steps to take in what order. And they really wanted to inspire their own communities to be more sustainable too. So that's where I'm taking this, is giving you the steps that you're going to need to do this, but really helping you focus on some of the things that I heard you say, or people like you say to me, that really mattered to them. So you can learn more about what the workshop is going to cover, but essentially we're going to look at achieving food independence and inspiring community, like I said, avoiding costly mistakes, and following a step-by-step process that will get you all the way through it, something that you're actually going to follow and do. And here is the details for the workshop. So you're going to learn 4 straightforward steps you'll actually be able to follow to create your own food forest. And again, that's going to be able to happen on any size of property, any type of property. It doesn't matter where you live. You can live in a desert. You can live in a tropics. It doesn't matter. I'm going to show you what to do. You're going to learn what the 3 most common mistakes are that most people will make when trying to DIY permaculture. And then what to never do if you want to end up with a complete and working food forest. How to work with plants. We're going to cover non-living features as well, irrigation, soil, and more. And the date of the workshop is November 19th, 2022. That's this coming Saturday. It's going to be at 10:30 a.m. That's Central. Now it's Standard Time instead of Daylight Time. And the cost will be $47. And this is where you can sign up. You can go to ecologiclandscape.com/food-forest-mastery-workshop, and I will place that link in the description. And if you want to learn a little bit more about this, that's a great place where I have more information for you. So you can go ahead and read up about this and read about me if you'd like. And if you have any questions, you can let me know either by clicking this or by emailing me. But it is coming up fast, so I just wanted to let you know about it. And if you are interested in finding that, that's under Services, Courses and Workshops, Food Forest Mastery Workshop. There will be a full course offering coming up after this, but this is going to be the wham bam thank you ma'am version, and I'm really looking forward to showing you guys how to do this. It's going to empower you. It's going to put you in a position to really be able to handle whatever's coming next. And if you've been alive in the last few years, you know it's like one thing after another. Inflation is hitting, fiat currency is taking a dive, and it's really the right time yesterday to start growing your own food. And this course is going to show you how to grow your own food in a way that is next level above and beyond having a simple garden. We're going to be going into stuff that will give you a perennial food system that will feed you indefinitely for the rest of your life and involve minimal inputs as far as money, water, labor, etc. So I'm really excited to be sharing this. Permaculture basically can save the planet, and I want to empower you to use it to save you and your family from what's coming. So please go to the link in the description and sign up, or let me know if you have questions. I'd be happy to answer them. I hope to see you there.